Hi family, Lorna here with another simple, life, plant-based recipe, vegan of course. We're here today to do mung beans, sprouted mung beans. But first I want to share with you the beans that I do not soak, the beans that I wouldn't sprout. And the reason being is that I tried them before, but they come off very hard on the stomach, so it's not, I have to let you know. So these are the red kidney beans, the black beans, and these are Romano beans or pinto beans. Any one of those, don't soak those because they are harder. They're not digestible as quickly as, say, the red lentils or green lentils. I think they have another color lentil out there, but especially the green ones is my favorite. But I mostly have this one because it's easier to cook, easier to sprout, just easy to just do anything very fast. It doesn't take too long to cook. And did I mention the clover? Yeah, clover is good to sprout. The red lentils, green lentils. But my favorite is the mung beans. Mung beans are, okay, I did some checking to see. I only knew that I went to a Filipino restaurant once and they had steamed mung beans and it was so good. And then I thought, I wonder if I could sprout them to get more benefits and vitamins and minerals from them. So, and then I found out that it's a thing. So, okay, so it has protein, it's good for high blood pressure, it's good for iron, it improves your immune system, it's good in antioxidant, good in weight loss, it lowers your cholesterol, and this is just some of the benefits of mung beans. You should try them. Even if you don't sprout them, you know, give them a little cook up the way you would normally cook beans. But make sure that you soak your beans. I soak my beans at least 2 days before I cook them to make, because my tummy is very, it's I am working on my digestive system, so I have to watch what I put in my tummy. So the way this works, I use half a cup and I put it to soak. Let me go ahead and show you how I do it. 1 second. Okay, today I'm not going to use half a cup because I already did some, so I have enough. So you would put, say, half a cup, and you're doing it for the first. Put it in a jar, and then you would put some water. Just put some water in it. Oops. Put some water in it. Wash it off. You wash and wash and wash it in a sieve, because these beans are dirty, so you always have to pick your beans and wash them before you do anything with it. So anyways, you wash it and then you put it overnight to soak. So this one I did yesterday. After it's been soaked overnight, there's so many ways to do sprouting, but I love this way better. This is a old, you know those things that the bride puts over their face? So this is an old one, and I cut it. I put it in the top of a mason jar and I just cover it like this because I refuse to go by a sprouter. You could use a sieve, but this is what I like. So anyway, this was yesterday. Don't know if you can see any sprouting in that, but this is yesterday, and already it started to separate. Some people take the green, like when it's fully sprouted, they will take the green off from the bean and leave the white. But I like to have it any which way, so I don't mess with it. So this is just since last night I did this one, and this one, that was what, Wednesday night. Today's Thursday, and this one, look at this one. This one I did this Tuesday evening. Tuesday night before I go to bed, I put this one to soak. And for this one, this one was half a cup, and this one was 1/3 cups. But see how little I put in here? That's how much it swells, it multiplies when you sprout it. So this is it. This is how it has all those, if you could see it there. So what this does, when you sprout it, it's like, no matter how good it was before, when you sprout it, all the enzymes are enhanced. It's better for you sprouted than if you were to cook it. You get more, like I say, nutritional value and benefits from it. Another thing I would like to say to you was that the mung beans they're so easy to sprout and easy to be ready that you don't even have to get it to this point. It doesn't have to have so many tails. It doesn't have to have so much tail to eat. You could have it this way also, because once it's sprouted, once it's soaked overnight, it's good enough to eat. But somehow, for some reason, I like to see it with the tails. My husband doesn't like it because he said that he doesn't want any mung bean trees to grow in his tummy. So he refused to eat sprouted beans, but I love it. And so I just want to come on here and share this amazing bean with you and how good it is for us. And I just hope that you will go get some mung beans. Organic is better if you can. If you cannot, remember, get it, wash it at least 3 times, soak it for 24 hours or more, and then you could I have to show you this one second. If you do not have the mesh, this one is just a simple mesh I bought, and I put the mason jar to do it. So I should show you how I do it. Hold on. So with this one, with the water, after you wash it, you just cover it like this, and then you go over and you just do this. So every morning and every night you will do that until it becomes the consistency that you want it to become. Another way that you could sprout the mung beans, so simple. Just pour it in your sieve. Keep the sieve like this over the sink, and whenever you pass by, you could just turn the water. Just turn the water and just keep wet it, and then you just leave it until it started to soak and sprouted. But this is good to add to your salad. It's good to add to your sandwich. It's good to just take and just eat like that. So I hope that you will get some mung beans and start. It's so good. I'm not even kidding you. Like, give it a try and comment, like, share, subscribe. Come on back so you could see what I have next, what I have prepared for you. Have a simply blessed life. Bye for now.